Hi, I am Praggatti Rao. I am the Principal Consultant for EduConcepts India Initiatives, and we've been indulging in the process of discovering intelligences and building talent since the year 2007. We use psychological interventions, psychometric analysis and NLP leadership trainings to bring out the best in individuals, and close to our heart is women entrepreneurs and young adults. Well, I participated in the NLP Trainer workshop with Dr. Doris, and trust me, it has been one of the most amazing experiences one could ever have. Amazing because there was a lot of energy, enthusiasm around her, which made sure that every single concept was imbibed thoroughly to the extent that when I go back, I'm pretty sure I would be able to use that in my trainings and bring out more value in whosoever that I'm interacting with. Another precious and fascinating fact about it is the training did not have even a day of a down moment or a day of, or even a moment of boredom. It was so full of life and fun. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I do look forward to more and more people exploring this, because if you've not explored this, you still have lots to be getting into your kitty. And another good thing that I want to talk about is I'm very hopeful this training is going to take me from where I am to the next level of my career growth, personal development, and impacting lives the way I want to do it, not just randomly. So now I have a structure, now I have a process, and I'm super happy to be here for all these 12 days and create that kind of impact, which I'll go back, share with all the people that I train, all the people that I interact with. And I highly recommend this trainer's training because, number one, I'm very honest with you, Dr. Doris. She just makes it huge. And apart from that, being an associate trainer for SNLP could anytime be the best reward anybody could get after 12 days of training. So all in all, I have lovely things that I have learned and trained here and learned, so which I'm going to take back home and do make sure you be here for the next one. There are a lot of them coming up, and if you do not participate in that, I'm telling you, you're missing on something. Thank you.